Jake with HiRevSports here with another install video to show y'all how to connect a PNP harness. And this is a new harness that's going to be coming out. It's going to make it a lot easier, no splicing or anything. But we're going to do it on our Camry SE here. We have the X series trunk lights and the Lexus style BRB trunk light.
So on the Lexus, so the plug and play will work on the version 1 and version 2 both Lexus style taillights, and we're going to show you how to connect those wires and show you also how that plug and play harness looks like. All right,
so we got our lights already semi installed here. This is our plug and play harness.
Okay, so this is the new one. As you can see,
it's going to look just like this.
There you go.
One connector on one side for the tail light. The other side is going to be for the license plate.
All right.
So we're going to show you real quick, real easy. You've got your one side here.
Now, once again, this method is to install the XSE tail lights on the SE. So everything is plug and play now.
You got your tail light plug here. It's going to go right into the harness. Click. You got your factory or OEM plug.
For the reverse?
Yep, it's going to go right here.
The first plug that Jake connect is for the running light. Okay, and then this wire is going to connect with the license plate. So right now the license plate light wire is connected. Simply disconnect it.
There we go.
Okay, this is the license plate light. Simply connect it with this one, with the white one. All right, and connect this one over here, back at the original place. Okay, now grab the other side.
Same thing. You got your tail light wire for the running light.
There you go.
Click. OEM harness goes right in
for
here.
The reverse. Okay, the other end, what you can do is simply disconnect this plug.
We jumped the gun a little bit. All right, so we're going to
plug it in here, and the other end
right here,
over here. There you go. Everything is plug and play. This is how it looks. We're gonna test it real quick to make sure that the running lights are working fine now. There you go. So the running lights are working now. Once again, no need to splice anything. This is the X series inner light, and this is the version 1, I believe, of the Lexus tail light. So the running lights are working now. Everything is plug and play, and this is how you guys connect the plug and play harness, the new one, which will be coming out soon. Okay, so when you receive this plug and play kit for your tail lights, it will be pre-assembled, but just in case if it's not, I will show you how to assemble it. It's very easy. Okay, so these are the plugs, right? So if you receive it like this, simply what you need to do is cut this wire, all right, from one and from the other one also. Okay, I'm gonna make it fully plug and play. All right, so okay, so these are the wires. Now simply what you can do is simply splice these ends. Okay, 1 and 2. These connectors will come, once again, they will be pre-assembled. If not, you will see these connectors. Very simple, very easy. Lift up these notches. Okay, simply insert it in. All right, and close it. There you go. Okay, and then you grab this one. Okay, this will be already like this. Same thing. It will be pre-cut, pre-assembled, or if not, just simply insert it in this hole. Close this latch. All right, now this is completely plug and play. So you connect this end to your driver's side, for example, and then same thing with the other one. You assemble it first. All right, and lift up these notches. Okay, just be gentle with it, don't break them. So for example, if you break this one or if you lose it, no need to panic about it. Simply, splice these wires. Okay, like in this case, it's already spliced. Simply connect them. Okay, they're not long enough, so I'm just gonna splice it a little bit more. All right, and simply connect these two. Grab some electrical tape. All right, like this. Put some electrical tape on it, and there you go. You guys no need to splice your license plate wires anymore. So there you go. So once again, so when you are connecting it, the inner light on driver side and passenger side, the main harness from XSE and the Lexus style V1, V2 tail lights, simply plug it in. This is for the reverse light. And this one used to be, you guys used to connect it to the license plate wire. Now simply remove the license plate wire, okay? Insert this one and put the license plate wire over here. You guys saw the previous clips. So this is how you install it. Now it's fully plug and play. Let me just put this stuff out of the way. This should be a very easy install now. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask.